Hello friends, this is Multiverse. Let's find out what our planet has looked like and how it has changed over hundreds of millions of years. Here we go. Prygian period. Glaciers may have covered the entire planet during the greatest ice age known on Earth. New types of life such as red and green algae appeared during this period. Ediacaran period. Life is evolving in the sea, and multicellular life is just beginning to emerge. The Pangaea supercontinent is a major landmass. Early Cambrian. A mass extinction has just taken place. Afterwards, the fossil record shows a dramatic expansion of animal life in the sea, known as the Cambrian explosion. Animals are beginning to evolve shells and exoskeletons. Late Cambrian, the ocean is teeming with life following a dramatic expansion of animal diversity in the sea. The forms of some animals show ancestry to modern animals. Jawless fish, the first vertebrates, appear. Ordovician period. The seas are diverse and the first coral reefs emerge. Alga is the only multicellular plant, and there is still no complex life on land. Later division, the seas are diverse and the first coral reefs have emerged. Alga is the only multicellular plant, and there is still no complex life on land. A mass extinction is about to take place. Silurian period. A mass extinction took place, wiping out nearly half of marine invertebrate species. The first land plants emerged, starting at the edge of the ocean. Plants evolved vascularity, the ability to transport water and nutrients through their tissues. Ocean life becomes larger and more complex, and some creatures venture out of reefs and onto land. Devonian period. Life on land becomes more complex as plants develop. Insects diversify, and fish develop sturdy fins, which eventually evolve into lungs. The first vertebrates walk on land. Oceans and coral reefs host a diverse range of fish, sharks, sea scorpions, and cephalopods. Late Devonian. A mass extinction is about to take place that will stress marine life. Carboniferous period. A mass extinction harmed marine life. Land organisms adapted. Plants are developing root systems that allow them to grow larger and move inland. Environments are evolving below tree canopies. Atmospheric oxygen increases as plants breed on land. Early reptiles are evolving. Late Carboniferous. Early reptiles have evolved, and genetics diversify. Permian period. Land masses merged and formed the supercontinent Pangaea. Extreme conditions such as polar ice caps and deserts limited the extent of plant life, but amphibious tetrapods and reptiles diversified where plants grew. Oceans teemed with fish and invertebrate life. Late Permian. The greatest mass extinction in history is about to take place, driving 90% of species extinct. The extinction of plants reduced food supply for large herbivorous reptiles and removed habitat for insects. Early Triassic. Oxygen levels are significantly lower due to the extinction of many land plants. Many corals went extinct, with reefs taking millions of years to reform. Small ancestors to birds, mammals, and dinosaurs survive on the Pangaea supercontinent. Middle Triassic. The Earth is recovering from the Permian Triassic extinction. Small dinosaurs begin to appear. The rhapsids and archosaurs emerge along with the first flying vertebrates. Late Triassic, an extinction event is about to happen, resulting in the disappearance of 76% of all terrestrial and marine life species and greatly reducing surviving populations. Some families, such as pterosaurs, crocodiles, Mammals and fish were minimally affected. The first true dinosaurs emerged. Jurassic period, dinosaurs thrived as the first mammals and birds evolved. Ocean life diversified, and the earth was very warm. Late Jurassic, the early lizards have appeared in primitive placental mammals have evolved. Dinosaurs dominate both land masses. Large marine reptiles inhabited the ocean, and pterosaurs were the dominant flying vertebrates. Early Cretaceous. The world is warm and has no polar ice caps. Large reptiles dominate and mammals remain small. Flowering plants evolve and spread throughout the world. Cretaceous period, Ceratopsian and Pachycephalosaur dinosaurs evolve. Water mammal, bird, and insect groups emerge. Late Cretaceous, a mass extinction occurs, leading to the extinction of dinosaurs. Many marine reptiles, all flying reptiles, and many marine invertebrates and other species. Scientists believe the extinction was caused by an asteroid impact on the present-day Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. Early Tertiary, following the asteroid impact that killed the dinosaurs, surviving birds, mammals, and reptiles diversified. Early whales evolved from land mammals. Mid-Tertiary, mammals have evolved from small, simple forms to a diverse group. Primates, cetaceans, and other groups evolve. The earth cools and deciduous plants become more common. Neosine period, mammals and birds continue to evolve into modern forms. Early hominids emerge in Africa. And finally, our time, the planet as we are used to seeing it. To continue your journey through the multiverse, watch these videos. See you in the next episode. Bye.